Hello everybody, I'm Miss Batul Hijeri from Shahrakan School for Girls. Today we will start Unit 7, Lesson 2 in the park. We will learn how to use must and mustn't. Must means you have to do something. Mustn't means it's not allowed to do something. Remember, the verb after must and mustn't should be in the base form. Read it again. Examples. We will use must and turn off. Look at the sign. You must turn off your mobile phone. You must turn off your mobile phone. Read it again. The second example, must and put. You must put the litter in the bin. You must put the litter in the bin. Read again. Use must and walk. You must walk on the path. You mustn't walk on the grass. You must walk on the path. You mustn't walk on the grass. Read it again. Can you read this sentence by yourself? Try. Use must and put. Very good. Now, use mustn't and pick. You mustn't pick flowers. You mustn't pick flowers. Read it again. Now, use mustn't and walk. You mustn't walk on the grass. You mustn't walk on the grass. Read it again. We usually see these signs in a park. Use mustn't and play. You mustn't play in the fountain. You mustn't play in the fountain. Read again. Use mustn't and swim. You mustn't swim here. Water is deep. You mustn't swim here. Water is deep. Read it again. Now, read and match. Look at the signs and match to the sentences. Number 1, you mustn't walk your dog here. Number 2, you must put litter in the bin. Number 3, you mustn't take photos here. Number 4, you must be quiet. Now look at the sentences. Look at the answers, and check. Look at the signs, then complete the sentences with must or mustn't. Try harder. Now, check your answers. Number 1, you mustn't eat here. Number 2, you must wash your hands. Number 3, you must turn off your mobile phone here. Number 4, you mustn't swim here. Have a good day, everybody, and goodbye.